Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about Cypress multiple tab issue. The primary reason for this limitation in Cypress is aim to provide the fast and reliable testing capability by directly interacting with the application front-end code. It achieves this by running within the same JavaScript context as the application, enable the direct access to the application DOM, and facilitating real-time debugging and test execution. Managing multiple tabs in a browser introduces complexity in a term of coordinating action, synchronizing states, and capturing assertion across different tabs. This approach will conflict with the Cypress fundamental design principle and would hinder its ability to provide the seamless control and real-time observation it aims to offer. The main observation of this two point is if we are going to use multiple tabs in a Cypress, it will have a conflict with the main features of the Cypress, so it cannot provide the efficient results as it gives in a single tabs. If we are going to use multiple tabs at that time, it will provide conflict in actions and handling states in Cypress. That's why in Cypress we couldn't handle the multiple tabs. So to overcome this, we have a solution. Let me show to you. If we open a Chrome, we can direct to the WebDriver University. So let's go to the WebDriver. If we click contact us page, it directly hit the new page. So in Cypress, we don't want this feature. So I'm going here and I inspect this contact us page. If I am going to hover and check here I have the attribute called target blank. So I'm going to remove this attribute and I'm going to click. So it is opening in the same window itself. It doesn't create a new tab. In this way only we are going to resolve the issue in Cypress. Let's get into the Cypress. I'm going to create a new folder to show this multiple tab issue. Here I'm going to provide tab.cypress.js. So first of all here we have to import the Cypress like this way, copy and paste here. So next we have to give the describe and use here. First we have to give the description, tab, issue, and provide arrow function. Within this describe we can give the it tab. So here I have provided the description again, tab, issue, solution, and provide arrow function. Here first of all I'm going to hit the cypress.visit and I'm going to copy the URL. Here you can see I don't want this contact us page. First I have to visit the WebDriver University. Here we have to paste it. Let's see the Cypress. Now select the spec file you want to test. So here it's going to visit the WebDriver University. So after finishing this, I'm going to select the contact us. So after successfully visiting this page, let's go to the WebDriver University. So here I'm going to copy the anchor tag. So first I have to See the Renorex velocity anchor tag href equal to the value which is present here. So I'm going to copy this and paste here. So if we click enter, you can see this particular context has been selected. So copy this value and go to the VS Code. Next, we have to provide cy.get, paste it here. So here we have given double quotes. So I'm going to change to a single quote. All the issue has been sorted and it's going to click. So now what is going to be happen means the new page will be open in the Cypress. So the test will not happen properly. So to overcome this, previously we have removed the target. In the same way, here also we are going to remove the target. First, close the command prompt and dot invoke remove attribute, comma, the attribute is going to be target. Target. So let's check again. Go to Cypress window and you can see here. Select again the test which you want. So now you can see here the WebDriver University has been came and the new web page has not been opened. The new tab has not created. It has been opened in the same tab itself due to the attribute has been removed from here. In this way only you have to handle the multiple tabs issue in Cypress. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.